like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel. How to relieve arthritis pain. Arthritis is hard to live with, but not impossible. Joint pains, difficulty in moving, the depression that comes with being sick, all can take its toll and increase the likelihood of you getting worse. Here are some steps you should take to relieve your arthritis pain. Understand your condition. Sometimes just knowing about your illness can give you valuable information about what to avoid, how to manage it and when pains strike, how to relieve it. The best source is your doctor. Be open about all the going through health-wise, because other symptoms might be manifest that you wouldn't think to connect with arthritis. Take over-the-counter medication. Aspirin is very helpful for relieving arthritis pain. It is easy to attain and relatively cheap. It has also been proven to be effective against arthritis. However, before taking this or any medication, consult a physician first and carefully follow his or her instructions regarding dosage. Prescription medication. Ask your doctor for a prescription for pain isn't alleviated by over-the-counter medications. Some people find relief in topical treatments or the application of herbal preparations, but only do so with your doctor's approval. For prescription medications, follow your doctor's instructions, and don't self or over-medicate for get moving. Have a regular form of low-impact exercise. That will get you sweating, move your body and lift your spirits. Choose the right kind of exercise though. Avoid those which attacks your joints and require quick or repetitive movements in rapid intervals. Exercises gives you the added advantage in helping control your weight. Try ice packs on the hurting part, or a soak in warm bath. If it works for you, as everybody is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Find which one suits you best, and try it to relieve your arthritis.